Hello friends, welcome to EduSpar Career Development Private Limited. Today we will discuss some of the questions of blood relation. I'm sure our today's discussion will definitely help you overcoming your problem. A man said to a woman, "The only son of your brother is the brother of my wife. How is that woman related to the wife of that man?" Some options are given. So the correct answer we need to find here from here. This is the man, then man's wife. So what the person is telling, the only son of your brother, the woman's brother's only son is the brother of my wife. So that means like this man and his wife, like his man's wife's aunt is that woman. Okay, this man's wife's aunt is that woman. Okay, so basically we can call it as aunt, right? So option A will be the right answer. Neha say Rani's father Raj is the only son of my father-in-law Mahesh. Then how Bindu, who is the sister of Rani, is related to Mahesh? Let's see the figure. So here is Neha, and what Neha is telling, that Rani's father Raj is the only son of my father-in-law. Only son, that means Neha is the daughter-in-law of Mahesh, right? And Rani and Bindu are Neha's daughter, Neha and Raj's daughter. So how is the sister of Rani related to Mahesh? That is, Bindu is related to Mahesh as basically granddaughter, which is not there. So it will be none of this, right? Sunil is the son of Keshav. Simran, Keshav's sister, has a son Raju and a daughter Sita. Prem is the maternal uncle of Raju. How is Sunil related to Raju? So here we have Sunil and Raju. So we can find that Sunil and Raju are cousin, right? So cousin will be our correct answer. B is the father of Q. B has only two children. Q is the brother of R. R is the daughter of P. A is the granddaughter of P, and S is the father of A. How is S related to Q? So what we are finding, B is the father of Q, and B has two children. Q is the brother of R, and R is the daughter of P. That means P should be B's wife. A is the granddaughter of P. That means A is the daughter of R. Now S is the father of A. How S is related to Q? So S is related to Q as like brother-in-law. So option D is going to be the correct answer. Hope you have understood these questions. Coming to what EduSpire Career Development is offering, we are offering a series of live online sessions for exam aspirants for IBPS, RRB, CAT, SSC, and campus jobs. Our chief mentor, co-founder, and director, Mr. Ankuran Das, is an alumni of IIM Bangalore and Jadavpur University. We have many other experienced faculty members with us. We provide live online classes by these expert mentors, exam-specific sessions, practice materials, and 24/7 doubt clearing classes. Apart from regular syllabus, we are also providing interview tips, group discussion tips, extempo, dress code tips. We prepare job aspirants with presentation skills, and we assist in CV making too. You will get live online classes, strategic guidelines for preparation, comprehensive course materials, regular interaction for doubt clearing and career counseling. We ensure personalized attention by keeping our batches small. You will understand what to prepare, how much to prepare, and you will get updated contents from multiple experts. You will be following a practical routine and will be able to balance all sections. We will be able to make a specific plan, how many questions from which chapters you need to do. You can discuss your plan with the experienced mentors to make your plan more effective. Online platform saves time without compromising other engagements. You will also get recorded videos for revision and easy access to the entire faculty team. So, no point delaying anymore. Feel free to contact us in the given numbers as early as possible.